Hey, what's up, YouTube? D Hustle here. I was just looking at some Cointelegraph, and I see this, I see this, and I felt I have a moral obligation to tell you guys the real, right? So, why was Bitcoin created? Bitcoin was created because obviously our current monetary system is 100% fake. It's not real. It's not sustainable. It's built on debt. It it doesn't work. We all know that. They just keep trying to make it work and keep trying to, all these holes. It's like a boat. It's like a boat with a bunch of holes in it, and they just keep plugging a hole just for another one to pop up. Like it's a broken system. Like everybody who actually has an idea of the monetary system already knows that. So I just feel a moral obligation to talk about this what do they call it? Article. So first of all, Warren Buffett. Yeah, he's rich as hell from investing. Let's take note though. This guy did, as far as I know, he did not invest. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know everything, but he did not invest in internet stocks back in the day. I don't think. And what I do know is he didn't invest. He didn't invest in Amazon, so he doesn't understand technology. And then for him to call Bitcoin's trading turds, he doesn't know what he's talking about. So I want to make this very clear. He doesn't know what he's talking about. And if you want real opinions on Bitcoin, listen to these big tech entrepreneurs who started big businesses. Like you look at Bill Gates, Jack Dorsey. Listen to what these guys have to say, because these guys are programmers. They're in technology. They're successful in technology, and they have nothing but great things to say about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has never been hacked in 10 years. It's solid. The foundation on Bitcoin is solid. It's so solid that people are they're trying to create better coins. Take note, most of them are scams. So let's look at some of the key things he said that are just completely stupid in my opinion. Bitcoin has no unique value at all. Blockchain does not depend on Bitcoin. First of all, Bitcoin is the blockchain, right? It is the blockchain. Blockchain started with Bitcoin. That's where it all started. This is day one. That's just the bottom line. Bitcoin started with blockchain. Blockchain started with Bitcoin. That's the only way to put it. And it does have unique value. It has unique value in it takes computing power to mine them. So they're not free to mine. They cost you money. They cost you electricity to mine them. They can't be duplicated. You can't fake a Bitcoin. And as far as I know, in 10 years since Bitcoin's been out, there's been no hacks. There's been hard forks, but there's been no hacks, nothing that's illegitimate, or nothing that basically everything's been legit. All the transactions have been legit. And and then this is another thing to take note on is it has a bad rep, because what was it used for? What does the general public know about? The general public knows about people buying and selling drugs online on the Silk Road with Bitcoin. That's not what it's used for. It's used as a store of value. In Japan, it's currency. In Malta, it's currency. Starting March 1st, Wyoming, United States, it's going to be considered money. So don't listen to the FUD. There's a bunch of BS. There's a bunch of FUD. Bitcoin is the real deal. It's the only real money, the only real digital money we have. U.S. dollars are fake. That's all I can speak on is U.S. dollars. It's not real money. It's just created. It's created with debt. The government shuts down and creates money. The government shuts down, forces all their government workers out of work. They can't even pay their bills. What do they have to do? They have to go take out loans. Then they have to pay those loans back. Like, it's a jacked up system. It can't sustain like this. What else is this guy saying here? Someone else is trading turds and you decide I can't be left out. I mean, people trade stocks. People trade cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is not a turd, because if it was a turd, people wouldn't pay money for it. People wouldn't pay what do we got? $3,800 for a Bitcoin if it was not valuable. If if Bitcoin wasn't valuable, people wouldn't spend millions of dollars on mining farms and renting space to mine Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the future. Cryptocurrency is the future. Like, I can guarantee you, if you invest today, this is financial advice. This for sure is. If you invest today, you will have more money, you will have more value in 10 years than you did today. 100% sure of that. This is financial advice in that sense. Short term, I don't know what it's looking like. Keep note of that. Short term, I don't know. Long term, this is the future. It's clear at this point. We got the best engineers. You got the best computer engineers, the best programmers, the best computer scientists, the best mathematicians in the world are working on cryptocurrency. Not just Bitcoin, but another one I'm really invested into is Cardano. We have the best in the world working on this stuff to create a new fair monetary policy for the globe, not just for the US or not just for a certain place, but for the globe. Because it's just been messed up ever since we've came off that gold standard. Money is not what it's supposed to be anymore. It's just this fallacy piece of paper that says, hey, we have value. And really, it only has value because we all say it has value. But really, we all need to, and we need a revolution, and we need to switch to cryptocurrencies, real cryptocurrencies that are like Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a solid foundation. Warren Buffett, I respect you. But when it comes to cryptocurrencies, just don't speak because you don't know what you're talking about. If you're just a puppet, don't listen to him. He don't know what he's talking about. Bitcoin's the real deal. So I just wanted to share that with you. Don't listen to people who don't know what they're talking about. Go listen to computer scientists, computer programmers, entrepreneurs, CEOs who have a tech background, who are investing in tech or who have startups in tech. Go listen to people who know what they're talking about. Don't take my word for it. Go do your own homework. Go listen to Bill Gates. Go listen to Jack Dorsey. Go listen to Charles Hoskinson. Go read Bitcoin's white paper. Just do your own homework and don't just listen to, don't get me wrong. Warren Buffett is a reputable guy, but when it comes to this space, he doesn't know what he's talking about. And the thing is, bankers, central bankers, they don't want us using cryptocurrency because they make money off of us. They want to keep that monopoly going, but the truth is, it's just robbing us. We need a sovereign currency that's global, that works for everybody, that puts everybody on the same playing field, that nobody owns. Nobody owns Bitcoin. There's not a company you can call. If you lose your private key, that's on you. With more freedom comes more responsibility. So with this freedom, there's no one you can call if you mess it up. So that's another thing to take note of. I just wanted to share this with you and just give you a quick little insight on my thoughts and how I feel about cryptocurrency moving forward and what it actually is. And yeah, listen to the right people. Listen to the people in the space who are working in the space, who program, who actually know what they're talking about. I respect you, Warren Buffett, but not when it comes to technology. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, ask questions. I'd love to answer questions. Correct me on any data if I'm wrong, because I don't know everything. I just do research and I reiterate, and then I use my own logic to put things together and figure out what's going on in the space. So like, comment, subscribe, ask questions. D Hustle out.